In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the hatch command in AutoCAD, a powerful tool for adding shading and patterns to your designs. We'll walk through every detail so you can confidently apply it to your own projects. So let's get started. First things first, to initiate the hatch command in AutoCAD, you're going to want to move to the command line. Once there, simply type the word hatch and press enter. This will activate the hatch command interface. Now, the most common way to apply a hatch pattern is by selecting the internal points of a shape. Imagine you've drawn a shape already and you want to fill it with a pattern or a color. All you need to do is click inside the shape you've drawn, and AutoCAD will automatically fill that shape for you. It's a straightforward process, perfect for those simple, contained areas you want to highlight or differentiate from other parts of your design. However, sometimes your design needs a bit more complexity, and that's where other methods come into play. After you've entered the hatch command, you're going to type draw and press enter. This opens up a range of options that allow for more flexibility and creativity with your hatching. You still have the option to pick internal points, just like before, but now you can also choose to select entire objects. This can be incredibly useful when working with complex drawings composed of multiple lines and shapes. Or, if you're looking for something specific, you can draw a rectangle or a circle to create a new hatch area. Now, another great feature is the mode selection. Here, you have the opportunity to choose between area and path. When you choose the area mode, it allows you to fill a specifically selected area with a hatch, excluding the rest. This can be handy if you want to focus the viewer's attention on a precise section of your drawing. Alternatively, selecting mode will unveil even more options, providing flexibility and control over the hatch pattern you wish to apply. As you explore these options, you'll find that they offer different ways to create dynamic and informative drawings, whether it's through visual contrast provided by patterns or by shading specific sections for emphasis. Remember, hatching is not just about aesthetics, it's also a powerful communication tool in technical drawings, illustrating different materials, cross-sections, and other design elements effectively. As you practice using these commands, they will become second nature. So take your time experimenting with each function to see how they can best serve your design needs. That's it for today's tutorial on the hatch command in AutoCAD. Whether you're filling spaces or highlighting sections with intricate patterns, you've got a tool that expands your design capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with AutoCAD.